Hello everyone! If you want to measure how satisfied your customers with your products or gather data of consumer preferences, then creating a survey in Excel is the best option for you. It can be used to employee engagement survey and website development. So, this is Zehad from Exceldemy, and today we'll learn two methods on how to create a survey in Excel. For this tutorial, I'll be using Microsoft Excel 365. So without any further discussion, let's get started. In our first method, we want to create survey manually. To do that, we need the help of Developer tab. So at first, we'll go for the File tab and then we'll go for the options to open Excel options. Here, go for the Customize ribbon, and in the Customize ribbon section, you'll find Main tab. Select and tick Developer, press OK to get the Developer tab here. Next, go for the Developer tab. In the Insert section, you'll find Form Controls. Here, you'll select Group Box and insert it according to your wish. After inserting the group box, you need to double click on it to get the edit box and then press Shift and right arrow to select the group box name and then use delete option to delete it. After that, you've got the perfect box here. Now again go for the Developer tab and in the Insert section, Form Controls, use the Fill Form option and here you'll select this box to write down the question. Here I'll write down the question, do you like traveling? So I'll write it down and here we'll go for, do you like traveling? And after that, we have set the question, but now the user need to respond also. This question can be answered by two options, yes or no. So we need to set two options here. So we'll go for the Developer tab again, and here in the Insert box, you'll go for the Form Controls and you'll find the Option button. Let's insert the Option button in the Response 1 section, and here you'll find the Option button. Click on this section and again select the name and delete it as the response will be yes. So in the first case, we'll write down yes. After that, you need to go again in the Developer tab, Insert, and here you'll again select the Option button and insert the response to in the same way. After inserting, you need to again name it, and here the second response will be no. If you look correctly, then you will see user can only select any of them. You need to manually insert both the cases. After that, you need to set and edit them manually to show it more attractive way. After proper adjustment, the first response will look like this. You need to fulfill all the questions like this. After adding all the questions and responses, the whole dataset will look like this. So that's how we can easily create survey manually. In our second method, we'll be using Microsoft OneDrive app to create a survey. In Google search for OneDrive, you'll have to set up an account or sign in to your existing account. Afterward, you will land on this page. Go for the new option and select Forms for Excel. Here, you need to enter the name as we're trying to get the survey on Students Education Institution. So we'll write down Survey on Students Educational Institution. Now we have write the name, click Create to open the form here. You will see that your form have been created. Now you need to also add questions here. So we'll click on Add New, and as the first question you'll write down the text. So write down the text and choose it here. In first question you want to know the name here. So you write down what is the name of your educational institution. After that, you will go for the required. That means the form filler need to answer this question. And in the next section, you'll go for add new. And if you are trying to add a new question where you want to give them a choice, then click on choice. And now you'll have the second question along with two options. Now you need to write down your question. Suppose you are write down, do you like your educational institution? And you have two questions, right? Which is yes, and another is no. And you have set two questions, and if you are going to the new question, then again select add new, and now you want to rate these questions. So here you will go for the rating, and in the third question you'll get the rating here. So you write down your next question, which is how much you want to rate your educational institution, and you want to give them stars. So you have selected the stars here, and along with 5 levels, so you've created everything. And if you want to see the preview, then go for the preview, and here you have got the perfect questions. If you want to go and select the survey and see how much it's working or not, then fulfill it according to your wish. Suppose here we want to get the name here as Pan Pacific, and next we have do live questions and 5-star. Use the submit button, then you'll see that the question have been submitted. After taking all the surveys, you'll go for back option, and here you'll go for the collect responses. Now you will see that you have got the send and collect option. Now you'll go for the email option to send the URL to you so that you can easily get the responses. So that's how we can easily create a survey by using the OneDrive. So that's it for today. You can follow these methods accordingly, or you can download the practice workbook from the link below. Hope this will help you. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, please let us know in the comment section, or you can have a glance at exceldemy.com. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this.